Welcome, in this video I will show you how to toggle touchpad on LG Gram. The fastest way to toggle your touchpad is by pressing Fn button and F5 button. This will either disable your touchpad or enable it, depending on which notification you see on your screen. Now, in order to re-enable your touchpad in the settings, in case you don't have access to your touchpad and you don't have any external mouse connected to your PC, you have to press Windows button, then press Tab once, and use arrow keys to navigate to the settings. Press Enter, then press Tab 2 more times, and scroll down again with the arrow buttons to Bluetooth and devices. Press Enter, then press the Tab button 5 more times, and scroll down to Touchpad. Press Enter. Then now you can enable or disable your touchpad simply by pressing the spacebar. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.